What up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Sketchy D Garage. Today we are down here at the beautiful Kentucky Speedway for the 2019 Hot Rod Power Tour, and we're gonna go in here and check out some cool cars. So stay with me and let's get at it. We are literally walking in right now to the Kentucky Speedway in this beautiful 70 Chevelle Super Sport right next to me, and multiple more cars coming into it. Got a hearse O's behind me creeping up. She's sharp. Let's get on in here and check out some other awesome cool cars. There's the old Hertz Oldsmobile. Louisiana. He's a long way from home. Listen to that sound coming through this tunnel. Beautiful 1960 Impala. Oh, look at the bug racing her up. That's all right. Got a beautiful little Chevy 2 Nova. Super Sport Chevelle over there all tubbed out. Got another Chevelle here. Just awesome cars left and right. Look at this little Volkswagen coming up. Twin turboed. Then you got the Hot Rod Power Tour bus. That's enough that we're looking at here. Let's walk around and check it out. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. Really good looking Chevelle here. A flat white. LS with nitrous. Looking good. Hearst Oldsmobile. Doing some maintenance and work on some cars over there. Always got to get the wagons in here. 2-door, 57. Good looking 69 Camaro, Hugger orange, white stripe. Beautiful ride. Come over and check out some of the painless wiring cars. The old Vise Grip Garage itself pulling in. Dylan McCool's Charger right next to him. That's all of them right there in that area. We'll check them out here in a minute. We're gonna go over to Dakota Digital, see if there's some square body stuff over here. Square body syndicate, they said. Check it out and see. There it is, Mr. McCool's Charger, Vise Grip Garage's Chevelle. Then over here, I believe you have the, let's see, he's another YouTuber. What in the frig is his name? I know his name, but I can't think of it. I'll put it up on the screen right now. Well, there they are. We're gonna walk around a little bit more. Got me a Vise Grip Garage hat, so we gotta love that. But we're gonna walk around and check out some more cool cars. It's gonna be a long day for sure. Scrap toner. Talladega GT. Here we got Lucky Chevelle 66. Looking right. California, baby. Lucky's Garage. Check him out. That's what I'm talking about. Boat motor, fishing poles, got some fish hanging on the side of it, paddles on the bottom. If y'all watch my other channel, I got a fishing channel also. Check it out. KY Jig Freak Dawn. Check her out. Ford GT at the HP Tuners tent. Too much stuff to look at. A few of the cars I passed on the interstate coming up here. We're in my local state, Kentucky. Super B. Camaro, Impala. Try to watch some of the autocross here. Cars everywhere. Who's letting her eat? guys, thanks for watching. Be sure and look out for part 2 of the Hot Rod Power Tour 2019 at Kentucky Speedway. We'll see you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help me grow, guys. Love you guys.